Yo, what's going on, everybody? Finally, back at it again with some Metroid Dread. We are going to kick it off with some Dread mode today. Back at it. Oh my gosh, people, I cannot talk. I cannot speak. My words do not speak English. I don't know what I'm saying. Let's get it. Dude, I think at this point it has been a month since I've played this game on my channel. And in general, I don't even think I played it off camera. So, we might be a little rusty today. Might be a little rusty, guys. We are going to be so rusty. Also, Metroid Dread mode. Dread mode. One hit and you're dead. No matter how much health you have, you're dead. All right. With that in mind, let's not get hit. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. Dang it, dude. All good. No sweat. We're gonna keep it going because we do not give up. Giving up is for people that give up easily, and I don't give up easily. I don't give up. Dude, leave me alone. Check this out though. Oh, got him. Totally blew past that guy. No sweat, no grind. Oh wait, no, totally grinding. That was so pointless. What was the point of that? Someone tell me what the point of that was. That's it. I've lost it. I'm going full berserker mode. What the heck killed me? I believe we're going this way. That is a strong belief. Uh-oh. Aha! Got him. I tricked him. We don't even need that. I will kill him because that guy's annoying. There we go. Redirect to thermal heating. We've done that so many times. I think that is the last time we redirect that Chautauqua. So we're chilling now. Oh, can't do anything about that. Oh gosh. This part's a little frustrating because there's enemies everywhere. Oh, I almost died right there. Nope. Psych. Got him. Oh, too easy. Terrifying. It's cool. We're cool. All right, guys, let's freaking get it. I'm getting pumped. Let's go to... What is it called? Darien. We're going to Darien. Guys, do you see how easily I fly through this game? What the... I will get that stupid flying bat what he deserves. And what he deserves is a laser to the face. No. We're going to give him a missile to the face. Yeah, that's what you thought. And that's what you deserve. You don't deserve anything else. We're saving. I'm not going through that again. Even though it only took me one try. Oh yeah, it's dark now. You know, this part's always super cool. Oh, that was clean. Clean. And let's get this Biongus lit up. Guys, this is a Christian channel. You can't be swearing on a Christian channel. Alright? And that is what this is. As PewDiePie once said, but he never kept it true. It was just a joke. Wide beam. Let's get it. Gotta love that sound. It means you got an upgrade. An upgrade we shall. Because upgrading means business. Holy moly, we've been going for 8 minutes? That's mad insane. Alright, cool. Okay, this part gets me, guys. Oh! Every time. Yep, I told you. Every time! Oh, this is scary, guys. Watch this. New Emmy. I remember seeing this the first time. Literally shiitake my pants, guys. Hello, Katarits. We are back in action. Oh, and I got the wide beam. We are chilling like a villain. Can't kill that. We're supposed to go this way. Haha! Oh, we gotta go up. There we go. There we go. Oh, we're killing the enemy right now. Bet. What the heck? I'm out of ammo. I'm out of ammo. Oh, how did I not die? Dude, how did I not die right there? Well, I'm not complaining. Get this Jewy gooey eyeball out of here. Kill him. Absorb his power. Get the Mega Beam. Kill the Emmy. Get the ball. Go and kill Kraid. Let's freaking get it. What happened? Guys, I think my video just stopped out of nowhere. What the heck? Okay, I'm gonna have to figure that out, but I guess I'm meshing two videos together. I'm gonna have to figure out how to do that. Guys, look, that's the robot I fight later. I didn't even notice that. I never noticed that. Look at that. That's the robot I fight later. Those are the two robots I fight. Okay, that's dope. I never noticed that. Very cool. Alright, guys, check it out. We got the Morph Ball. Oh, baby. We are chilling now. Let's go. Alright, let's freaking go fight Kraid, everybody. Who wants to see me fight Kraid? Because I want to see me fight Kraid. That'd be dope. Back to Kataris. Oh, no, I'm at Kataris. I mean, Arteria. Back to Arteria. With another loading screen. Let's get it. I'm curious as to why it stopped recording. I'm an idiot. No one cares. Arteria. I already been here. I've been here for days. Yeah. Let's go. Oh my gosh. Good thing I saved. I can't believe that just happened. Got him. Check it out, guys. Little secret for you. Anyone to anyone who hasn't played this game, play it, dang it. Just play it. You've heard it from me. It's the best dang game of the century. Maybe not the century, but you know what? It's a good freaking game. Alright, guys. This part always stresses me to flip out because it's just annoying, and I don't think I've ever done it without getting hit once. It tries to get. What the heck? Whoopsie-daisy. I thought it would start me right off in the cutscene. Or in the chase sequence, but no, it's gonna have me redo the thing. Oh, hey, look, another one. Like I thought there wasn't gonna be. That's fine. Okay. No, what the heck? Guys, what the heck? Like I said, this part sucks. Okay, I didn't say that, but I said it now. This part sucks. What a dumb section. For Metroid Dread mode, this part sucks. Oh. There we go. There we go. Dude, I did it again! Nope. 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 This is so frustrating. Oh my gosh. Swear on my life. Guys, this is what I'm talking about. Metroid Dread mode sucks. Just kidding. It's a great mode. This sequence, however, is pissing me off. Dude, jump, Oh my gosh. Like, Oh my... I apologize for that, but this is stupid. This is dumb. Who in their right mind made this? Okay, that's fine. It's fine. You know what? Cool. Make your dumb section. I'm gonna beat it and have fun with the rest of the game. But this part, I hate. This is dumb. Bad level design. Bad. Bro! I am not happy. Not happy, Bob. Not happy. Name that movie. If anyone can name that movie, $10. $10. It's yeah. Type it in the chat if you know that movie. Type it in the chat, my boy. Not happy, Bob. I'm not happy. Come on, you guys should know it. Oh, dodged. Anyone who's anyone knows that movie. Dude, mother... Buttons have been pushed, my people. Buttons have been pushed so many times. It's like, literally, you're pushing my buttons here. Oh, this is such a dumb sequence. Oh my gosh. Oh, I'm getting lightheaded. I'm getting lightheaded. I can't see. It's getting blurry. Oh boy. I know what I need to do. I know what I need to do. Check it out. Check it out. I got this. I have got this. I can do this. I can do this. I'm feeling confident. Feeling very confident right now. So confident, in fact. Guys, I don't know why I talk so loud. I'm sorry, okay? I'm a little frustrated because I can't beat this stupid mother. Whoa! Okay, clearly this has genuinely pissed me the flip off because I just swore twice. But I edited it out, so I edited it out so you guys didn't hear it. Christian channel. Okay, check it. Do that. And then that. Oh! I did it! Oh my gosh! Guys, I did it. I did it. Oh. Oh my gosh. Oh. It was all worth it in the end. Oh my gosh. Guys. Very astute. Oh, I did it. Look at this. Look at this beautiful, beautiful sequence. Oh my gosh. So worth it. So worth it. I've leveled up. Very astute. Okay, bet. Now I gotta go kill Kraid. And that might take a few tries as well. Bro. You know what, guys? I'm going to leave it off at the next save. So, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate your guys' support. Hit that like button and subscribe. And have a great rest of your mother flipping day.